The Seine River is a cultural jewel of France, with a rich history and legacy that dates back centuries. It is a river that has been shaped by history and that has, in turn, shaped the history of France. The Seine is a river that is both beautiful and practical, and it continues to play an important role in the lives of millions of people each year. The Seine River is one of the most iconic waterways in the world, flowing through the heart of Paris and serving as a vital transportation and economic artery for the region. But the Seine is more than just a river, it is also a cultural treasure, with a rich history and legacy that dates back centuries. The Seine's origins can be traced back to the prehistoric era, when it was a much wider and more powerful river than it is today. Over time, the river carved its way through the limestone plateau of northern France, creating the distinctive meandering course that it follows today. The Seine has played an important role in human history since the earliest times. The Romans were the first to build bridges across the river, and they also established a number of settlements along its banks. In the Middle Ages, the Seine became a major trade route, connecting Paris to other important cities in Europe. The Seine's importance continued to grow in the Renaissance, when it became a center of learning and culture. Many of the world's most famous artists, writers, and philosophers lived and worked in Paris during this period. Today, the Seine is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Millions of visitors each year flock to Paris to see its iconic landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the Notre Dame Cathedral. The Seine also offers a variety of other attractions, including boat cruises, river walks, and outdoor cafes. In addition to its cultural and recreational value, the Seine also plays an important economic role in France. The river is used to transport goods and passengers, and it also provides a source of hydroelectric power. The Seine is also a major source of drinking water for the Paris region. The Seine River is a vital part of French culture and identity. It is a river that has been shaped by history and that has, in turn, shaped the history of France. The Seine is a river that is both beautiful and practical, and it continues to play an important role in the lives of millions of people each year.